Hello viewers, account based in country option not showing in Instagram. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Instagram account based in country option not showing problem. So let's see how to fix it. For solving this problem, first of all, long press on Instagram apps. Now open Instagram app info. Just click on I button or app info. Now go to permission. Now go to location. Allow your Instagram location permission. Now go back to home screen. Now go to Play Store. Click on search bar and search Instagram. From here, update your Instagram apps. After completing update process, now go to your Instagram account and check your problem solved successfully. If still problem remaining, then follow next step. Open Instagram. Now go to your profile. Click on three line icon. Now scroll down and find help option. Now tap on help. Tap on report a problem. Again tap on report problem. Now tap on include and continue. Here describe your issue in details. After describing your issue, now send your report. After all this process, hopefully your problem will be solved very soon. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.